So guys, quick video here. As you can see, I'm on my way down to my basement. We have a problem with the washing machine. I thought this might help a few people. Now, guinea pigs or anything like that in your house where you have straw and you have to do a lot of washing, you may with your washing machine. This is an Indesit washing machine. Not sure what model number it is. Coming around there, we've got an error code F05. All the lights are flashing. Now, if you look down here, you have a filter. That is what the problem is. It is clogged up with everything. And to get to the filter, you've got a panel. Just get the camera in the right place. There's a panel in front of it, so this just unclips and you unscrew it. Like I said before in some of my other videos, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now you can see the floor is extremely wet at the moment. I've drained it off best I can and got quite a lot of the water out. So basically what I did was get a plastic carrier bag and just place it underneath the washing machine where the thing is and undo the cap here. It just unscrews. This will release any water. You can see a little bit of water coming out there. Most of it should go in the bag, but you are going to get some escaping because it's really low down at the bottom. Now I've got most of this water out now, so what I do is just empty the bag in here in a bucket. The idea to have a sponge at the ready. Now I did manage to get a clump of straw, so this is what was inside it, and I didn't get it all the way out, the plug that's in the washing machine. Literally just pulled it and that clump came out as I got it out to there. But when you take it out, this is what you've got. And you can see there's straw and all sorts wrapped around it, and this is what's clogging the washing machine up and causing the error code to come up. So you kind of have to make sure that the hole is clear of everything. I don't know whether you can actually see now. See if I can put the light. Right. I've got my torch, shine it in there, and I think you can just about see. You should just be able to see the motor, the blades of the pump, which are attached to a motor. That's what pumps your water out of the washing machine. And this is, here is the filter. And this is what basically gets clogged up quite a bit, and that is your access to do that. So obviously what that does is like I said, with all this straw inside the washing machine, it gets clogged up and then you get that error message. So all you need to do is basically take this and once you've got rid of all your just get a rinse under the tap before you put it back in. And just make sure everything's away from it. Then just place it back in, remembering what I said, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And once you've got that in, should be ready to start again. Now I think we have to, is it pause? No, I have to turn it off, right? No, you have to turn it off and turn it back on again. Right, there we go. It's got 3 seconds or 3 minutes left. It might be 3 minutes. So that should have resolved the problem, and there you go. you can hear that. The pump is now spinning. A bit of straw there. And the error message hasn't reoccurred. All it is when that is full in there of anything that stops the motor pumping, it will automatically shut the washing machine off so it doesn't cause any further damage. Because if you were to leave all that in there and the pump would try and pump it out, it would just wreck the pump. But yeah, so basically that's what I've got out of that. Now, like I say, because of the guinea pigs, it's a lot of it's straw, because we have a lot of pads and that they use, and the little guinea pig houses that they have. But also you can just about make out the fluff that comes off your clothes. It all gets clogged up in there, and that's what stops the motor spinning. So there you go, that's how you resolve the error code. So hope you enjoyed that video. Quick video, simple little thing. Quite a lot of people come across this problem with washing machines, but chances are it's the pump down there, so all you need to do is do that. Make sure you've got some towels and cloths and everything to soak up the water, because you will have quite a bit of water. It is in an awkward spot on the washing machine. So there you go. So I hope you got something out of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.